This is the crab. I already prepared it. Steamed it already for 19 minutes. And I cut them off. So I'm gonna make a spicy garlic butter crabs. And this is the garlic with a little bit ginger and butter. Here's my pot. My pan is old, but it's my favorite one. Okay, this is the sauce. Garlic on it, ginger, oregano, soy sauce, Cajun spice, and then some ketchup and other secret ingredients. They should be ready in a few minutes. So this is how it's done already, and you squeeze some lemon all around it, to access the flavor. And that's it. And all I have to do is mix it up a little bit, and it's done. And it's done. OMG, look at that. Look at that. Yummy. All this meat. Look at that meat. Is garlic. Okay, spicy garlic butter crabs. This is so good. Yummy. Let's eat, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Have a blessed evening or morning or afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much. It's Joy signing off. Bye.